Imagine being able to inflate or deflate your tires with just the touch of a button. No guesswork, no walking around the vehicle, just one simple click, air up or air down. That's the EZ Flate air command system. So one of the reasons that I went with EZ Flate over any of the other brands is because they're a family-owned business. Based out of Utah, they're a true off-roading family and saw the need for this product while out on the trail. One of their founders actually created their home product, started making it for family and friends, and then it grew so much that he started a business around it. That's where EZ Flate came from, and that's why I trust them with all of my off-roading gear. So the first thing you'll notice is the high quality carrying case that it comes in. This padded canvas case keeps everything nice and secure. Inside you'll find the air command system itself. The touchscreen LCD displays the current and target tire pressure as well as the battery life. The unit is built well and comes with a loop that can be used on your front bumper. It's got a high quality metal clip, so it's not going anywhere. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe.